guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Kaya, and today I'm going to be filming my college apartment room tour for you guys. I have my apartment haul already up on my channel if you guys want to go watch that, and I tell you where I got everything from. But I also say it in this video for the most part if I remember, the things. So yeah, make sure y'all go check out that video, and I explained in there that I live in an apartment with 3 of my friends, and it's not on campus, but it's very close to campus. It's like a 10-minute walk. It's not far at all. And yeah, we all have our own rooms, and then we all have our own bathrooms, and mine is across the hall from my room, so I'll be showing y'all that as well. So if you want to see what my room looks like, just stay tuned. So I'm going to start from the door. This is where you walk in at. This is my door, and that is my bathroom right there. But first we're going to start with the room. So you just walk in, and this is an overview. Of what it looks like. Alright, so first we just have my dresser right here with my TV on it, and then there's a picture of me and my best friend Taryn. And there is my dresser. I just have my clothes in there. Yeah, pretty basic stuff. And then on here on the wall we have this setup that my friend Taryn actually did for me. So thank you so much, Taryn, if you're watching this. And then okay, so the first sign says, or not sign, what is this? Wall, whatever it's called. It says, with God, all things are possible, Matthew 19:26. This one says she leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. Then I got this clock from Target. I honestly don't want to read all of that, so. And then that one says positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. And I got all of these little things either from Marshall's or Burlington. And then you come to this little corner. This is my big mirror that I got from Kirkland's. That's me in the mirror. Hey, you guys. And then I got this lamp from Target. It's a little floor lamp, and it's really cool because you can switch the bulb things. Like right now it's only on 2, and you can switch it. Yeah, so it's really cool. And then I just have random stuff in this corner, my school books and my purse, and then some bags back there. And then this is my ottoman that I got from Marshall's. 2 huge pillows that I also got from Marshall's / Home Goods, whatever. And then this is my bed. It is a queen size bed. My comforter is from JCPenney. My blanket is from Target. I love this blanket so much. It's so soft. And then my pillows, the pillowcases came with the sheets. These pillowcases came with the comforter. This pillowcase I got from Target, and this pillow I got from Marshall's. It was also in my dorm, so yeah. And then under my bed I just have, this one is for shoes. This one has some snacks and stuff in it. I have my luggage down there, and then I just have some drinks, like I have tea and some water back there. And I keep my backpack right beside my bed by my desk. And then up here I have this picture frame thing of me and all my friends. I actually need to change some of them because I don't have some of my friends up there. Like, I've made new friends since I've done this, so I need to, swap some pictures out. And then I have this by my bed. It says, I love Jesus and coffee and naps, which is so true. All of those things are right up my alley. And then I have this curtain rod and these curtains that I got from Walmart. They stop right above my bed, and that's just, regular window. And the sign says killing it, which I also had in my dorm. And all of these I had in my dorm as well, except for the clock. That's the only one I didn't have. And then, yeah, so then we turn over here. This is my desk. I know it looks very messy. I'm sorry. I have a lot of things and not a lot of places to put them. So, this is my desk. Yeah, as you can see, there's only one drawer in it, so that's why I have so much stuff on top, because like literally just have this one tiny drawer, and it is also junky because like I don't know, it's just hard to organize when you don't have a lot of space. But it's just my lamp, my remote for my TV, have some random stuff in there, glasses, staples, markers, I mean not markers, like pens and stuff in there. Then my journal, and then I have a book, water bottle, because you know you always gotta keep water by your bed. I have a book, To All the Boys I've Loved Before. I haven't read it yet, but I've seen the movie on Netflix, and it is so good. I've watched it twice already. It's so good. So if y'all haven't seen it, definitely check it out. It's on Netflix, like I just said. And then here's my planner, chapstick. This is the best chapstick, y'all, for real. Some pencils. I just got this little holder from the dollar store. A little K that I got from Marshall's. This sign that says study, party, sleep, repeat. I had all of this in my dorm as well, except for the jewelry holder. So yeah, I got this from Marshall's as well. Got this from Marshall's. I just have highlighters, dry erase markers, some lighters for my candles, and then some pencils at the bottom that wouldn't fit in there. And then I'm sorry y'all, I'm getting out of breath because I don't talk this much or this fast ever. Now some vitamins that I take every day. There's only one left, so I need to buy some more. But they really work if y'all want y'all's hair to grow and y'all skin and nails to be, you know, strong. I definitely recommend those. This is my laptop. Have a candle over here, another candle under there. I have another candle, that's why this top is right here, but it's in the kitchen right now, because I want it to smell nice in there. And then I have this jewelry holder. Oh, by the way, y'all, this candle literally smells amazing. I got it from the dollar store. The dollar store. That's probably why it's named Congrats and not like a real name. I don't know why it says Congrats, but it smells so good. So freaking good. Like, I don't know what Congrats is supposed to smell like, but if that's the smell, I love it. It's so good. Anyways, so yeah, I just have this jewelry holder that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Some, oh shoot, almost burnt my hand off. Some earrings under there. Picture of me and my best friend right there. Have my makeup station over here. All of these drawers are filled with makeup and they're not very organized, but it's okay. And then I just have lotion, deodorant, some makeup brushes. This is all my everyday makeup up here, and this is like other makeup that I don't really use that often, but I still, you know, like it when I keep it. It's my mirror that I use to do my makeup. And then above my desk I just have this corkboard with some more pictures of people that I love. And then this is my closet over here. And I have some little lights above it. I'll turn them on so y'all can see what they look like. I have some little lights above there. Really cute. I got those from, I think Marshall's. I'm not positive. And then, so I have some purses on the outside, and then you open it. Just have my shoes at the bottom, and all my clothes. And then some shoes at the top. And I also put my nightstand in here because I didn't want it out there. So I just have like notebooks and stuff on there, you know, extra stuff for class. Have an ironing board and stuff back there, just stuff that I don't really need on an everyday basis. So yeah, that's my closet. I need to fill it up. I need to buy some more clothes so I can fill it up because there's a lot of space in there. But I also don't have my winter clothes here, so that might be why it's not very full. Alright, and then next to my closet, I just have this marble dry erase board. I usually put quotes in there, but I forgot recently, so there's not a quote right now. And then I have this vacuum I got from Walmart, trash can that I got from Marshall's, and then my rug that I got from Target. Oh, I didn't show y'all under my desk. Okay, sorry, this is like kind of out of order. But under my desk, I just have my printer, and then this is my chair. All the furniture came with the apartment, by the way, so I just put this blanket on my chair to make it a little bit more comfortable when I sit in it. This blanket is from Kirkland's, so yeah. Just have an extension cord under there for like my laptop charger and stuff. So yeah, that is, oh, I have another dry erase board over here where I put like things I need to do for the week and like grocery lists and stuff like that. There's nothing on there right now because we're on fall break. I mean, I still have stuff to do, but like, I don't know, I just didn't write it on there. So yeah, that is my room. Give y'all another overview. I know that's kind of small, but it's okay, it's okay. Oh, and in this ottoman, I just have like extra sheets and like boxes to return my books because I rent them all from Amazon. So that's all that's in there, nothing really special. So yeah. And now I'm going to show you guys my bathroom. Sorry, the washing machine is running, y'all can hear that. So this is my bathroom when you walk in. It's the door. And I'll give y'all an overview, hold on. That's me in the mirror. I'm not filming this on my real camera, by the way, because I lost my memory card and I didn't find out until right before I wanted to film this. So I just was like, I'm getting it done. I'll film it with my phone, I don't care. So yeah, okay. On the back of the door, I just have my, on the back of the door, I just have my towel, my robe, and then my shower cap. And then on the wall, I have this little sign that says Rise and Shine with eyelashes. It's really cute. And then this is my little vanity area. And I just have my Vanity Planet brush, some saline wash for my ear piercing, toothpaste, and the Mario Badescu drying lotion because I use it like every night on my breakouts. I have this little sign that says be still and know that I am God. It's my sink, got some soap, my toothbrush holder, and that little holder thing are both from Target. And then I have some cabinets down here. It's really just like hair stuff. This is like extra things like medicine and then hair stuff. I know they're not very organized, guys, I'm sorry. And then more hair stuff down there. And then this is where I have like my skincare is all in there, tampons, cleaning stuff back there, toilet paper, you know, the basic stuff that you need. And then I have my trash can over here that I got from Target. My toilet, got some air freshener, a little plunger thing. I have this little basket that I got from Target with my towels and all that stuff in there. And then my towels hanging up on here. I went above my toilet. I have this sign that says Confidence is the New Black that I got from Burlington. Just have a towel hanging up there. Some towels right here, and then this sign that says wash your hands and say your prayers because yeast and germs are everywhere, and I think that's so cute. I love it. And then my hamper over here in the corner, and this is my shower. Just got this little shower caddy thing. Pretty sure I just got it from Walmart or something. You know, you can find this pretty much anywhere. This is what it, oh, excuse me. This is what it looks like. Some soap, you know, basic stuff. And then there's my shower curtain. I'll close it so you guys can see. It's my shower curtain. Okay guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for more content like this. I will be uploading a lot more, I promise. I'm gonna be more consistent. School is just literally killing me right now. Like, the only reason I'm filming this is because we're on fall break. And so I had a little free time, but school's literally killing me, guys. But I promise I'm gonna do better because I really, really, really want to get into YouTube and, like, you know, build my channel and make more videos for you guys because I know that you guys like them and I love making them. So I'm gonna start doing it more, I promise. So make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment down below telling me what else you guys want to see, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.